Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to discuss two topics regarding to Azure Cloud. So the one is RBAC, which is called role based access control, and the other one will be logs, Azure logs. So in this slide I just discussed about the RBAC. So what is RBAC? Basically it's a role based access control, and we can give access or we can give some privileges to another user, and we can limitize some resources in the cloud, so we can give access of those specific resources. I will show you how we can do that in the later in Azure cloud environment. And on the slide you can see that there is a role based access control photograph. So in this image, basically a small description about the process, like this is the admin, cloud admin, and by there are multiple users. So multiple users have multiple authority levels or permissions according to the requirement. So these kind of things I will show you how we can achieve in the cloud, and why do we assign them. And next we will discuss about Azure logs. So basically logs, as the word represents, log means no one can enter without the specific permission, or no one can change anything inside the premises. So basically logs can give you uh, a security, like no one can accidentally delete any resource in from the cloud. And it's like beneficial for cloud admin that somehow or mistakenly somebody can delete, like some, if a cloud admin give privileges to some users, so someone can delete without mentioning or without notifying the admin. So it's a great feature, and I will do a small cloud tutorial about this in few minutes. So we will go first with the RBAC. Let's go to cloud. So I have a resource group 121, and just go inside the resource group, click on it, and it will show like small, like environment. I don't have any other resource yet. We can do RBAC role based access control on this resource group. So we go to see settings, and under the settings we have the different features of monitoring, automation settings, like those. But we need to go to access control, which is the place to deploy the RBAC, which is role based. So by going inside access control, we will set up role based by click add, and here are three different scenarios. So uh, add role assignment, or code administrator, or custom role. So I go with the add role assignment. We can choose anyone. So before going forward, I just tell you, like there are different, like owner, contributor, reader, different kind of privileges. So we just go with the default. Next, here we can have manually assign, like manage identity, or we can use users or groups. So I will go with the users, and I need to select a member to whom I can give access or privileges. So I just click on select members, and here I can type any email address. So for example, I want to give a permission to one of my friend name as Cassie, and this is just a random email. I am just putting Cassie underscore 25, let's suppose, at the rate hotmail.com. So like there is, it will appear as a email. I'm not sure if this is the correct email or not, but randomly someone has that email, so I just click on it, then select. After selection, it shows here. I can put more people here. I can go with a single identity. So just for small introduction, I just go with the cassie_25@hotmail.com, then click next. Here it shows some role which I didn't give. I missed that, so I need to give a owner control. So like same administrator account role to Cassie in our example. So now we just review, and it takes few minutes to deploy. Let's see. So after it will be applicable or deployed, there will be a email notification which will send to this email address, and after, like here it shows everything. Send a link invitation must be accepted, so that Cassie needs to accept that invitation, and just right click, and then the Azure cloud will open on her browser, and she can use same as I am using. So if I want to remove, so I can just do the same practice to remove her from my Azure cloud or whatever I want. So I can go to here, or just remove or deny assignments. Like we can do that here. Roles we can assign here, which kind of role we want to assign, like a contributor, reader. Like there are different features for different roles. So here is the role assignment, like number of people it will show under the role assignment. So I can delete role as well, or I can leave it. So for now I just want to remove, so just click on the remove, and I said it shows the warning, then I will say yes, because I don't know who is the Cassie_25. It was just a random name with the random email, so it's removed. And now I just want to go with the second topic, which is logs. So from the we just go to resource group 1-to-1, which I already have. Then I go to settings. Under the settings there are logs. Here we can set up a log, and here we can name the log, but unfortunately we don't have any resource, so we cannot log. So let me create NSG, network security group, and we will deploy a log on that, and I will show you how it works. Just create the NSG. So we can deploy log on NSG, and then we will try to delete the NSG, and it will give us error because that resource is already under lock. So it's a security, or it's a good thing we can use for our resources. So it takes few moments and it will be okay, and we can go further to deploy the lock on this NSG lock. It's almost there. Okay, here it is. Let's go to resource, which is NSG. Under the resource group 1-to-1, and then go to logs. Here we can set up lock name NSG lock 1. Okay, or here is read only. we can use another option which is delete. So there's a difference between read only and delete. Delete is for no one can delete this NSG, and read only people can modify, edit, and they only can read that resource. But I go with the delete to show you, and okay. Then let's try to delete this lock. Click on the delete. Here it gives the error, file failed to delete network security group. Error, the scope NSG cannot perform delete operation because following scopes are locked, because we locked that. So it gives the warning or failed attempt to us. So we just go for again to logs. We can remove by deleting, and it's already deleted. That's quick. Then go back and try to delete again. Yes. So here it takes time. Let's see if we will get an error or not. Hopefully we will not get any error because we already delete the lock from this resource. Yes, so here successfully deleted the logs, and we can go to resource group, NSG lock. We cannot find because it's already gone. And let's refresh this. It takes a while, it will be disappeared from here as well. Yeah, so now it's not here. So that's a small topic like logs and RBAC, so it's useful for the users. Hope you guys like this video. I will come back with another topic, so enjoy your time. Bye bye.